Hey everyone, it's KyReviews, and today I will be reviewing this extra long bone straight unit from the Janet collection. This one is brought to you by ebonyline.com, so if you're interested in this unit, then please keep on watching. So in today's video, I have this unit from the Janet collection, and this one is brought to you by ebonyline.com. So if you're interested in knowing how you go about purchasing this unit on ebonyline.com, please be sure to wait towards the end of this video to find out more. But for now, let's get into this extra long unit. This one is from the Janet collection, and her name is Paki. She is very new, and I absolutely love this wig. This wig is a premium human hair blend. It is so silky and soft, and it's quite long. So before I get into my thoughts, let me get into the specs of this unit. Now, this unit has 3 combs, 2 at the front, 1 at the back with adjustable straps. And there's also adjustable band as well. And this is only a middle part unit. So what you see here is what you're gonna get, a nice little middle part unit. And of course, this is extra long. It's about 40 inches in length, so it's quite long. As you all can tell, she is very long. Off camera, she is way past my waistline. So long. So if you're into very long hair, this is the one for you. And of course, it's such a lightweight unit. It's so soft and easy to work with. And I just literally pull my hands through it. It does feel very human-like. I do love that. And of course, this is heat safe, but only up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, that is. So please be sure to look out for that heat temperature. You don't want to burn the hair. They said that specifically in the stock card here. So please be mindful of that and pay attention to that. You do not want to burn this beautiful unit. So this is what the stock card looks like here. The model has on an icy blonde, which I absolutely love, and I would love to review this color. You know me, I'm into color, so I'm definitely going to keep my eye out for that one. And there's this ombre blonde color, which I absolutely love too. But she's cute, but I really love that icy blonde. It does come in a variety of different colors as well. It does come with a kind of white color as well, and an icy blonde, this basic black. But you know, the black is always sleek and cute. And other colors, which I would leave down in the description box, so you all can go ahead and check that out. Now on ebonyline.com, if you are purchasing any items over $30, you can get a flat rate shipping fee of $4.99. So all you have to do is add the $4.99 code in the promo code when you're checking out, so that way you can get that discount. Now, as far as any sales, right now they have a Christmas sale. I know today is Christmas, everybody is excited, opening gifts and things like that. But if you are out here looking for a bomb wig for the New Year, for the New Year Eve party, you can definitely go ahead and purchase that and get this wig. It is on sale, so definitely go ahead and check that out. But if you're watching this way after the fact, they always have sales, so please be sure to follow them on all of their social media platforms at ebonyline, so you all can get a cool discount as well and rock this wig. I love this wig. 10 out of 10. The texture is fabulous. The length is very long. So you can definitely go ahead and rock this wig. They do come in a different style as well. As noticed, it's like a kind of curly wig. It's very long also. It's a part of their extra long line. So if you all are interested in that, you can definitely go ahead and check that out. But this one has my heart, especially the color on the stock card as well. So if you all are interested, please be sure to head to ebonyline.com. And also, if there's no additional fee for the colors, so please be sure to look out for that too. There's no extra fee, so that's a plus also. Thank you so much, Ebonyline, for allowing me to review this unit. I truly appreciate it. And also, don't forget to follow me on all of my social media platforms. Links will be down below, and I will see you all in another video. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and have a Happy New Year. See you all next year. Take care. Bye.